What's the meaning of burner? Burner. Burner.
Burner. Burner. The word burner has multiple meanings depending on the context. In the culinary world, a burner refers to the heat source on a stove used for cooking food. In the technology industry, a burner phone or burner device is a disposable mobile phone or other device that is used for a short period of time and then discarded. This is commonly used for privacy reasons or by criminals who do not want to be traced. In both cases, the result of using a burner is temporary and often associated with a need for quick convenience or anonymity.